Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to run your first Python program in VS Code. So let's start. For that, first you have to download Python from this website python.org. You can go to the video in the description I have given to know how to install Python properly in your system, and then you can install the VS Code from this site code.visualstudio.com. I have given the link in the description. And if you are using a Windows system, then click on this download button there and then click on install, and there will be a number of windows. You just have to click on next and install it, and it will install properly. So after downloading Python and VS Code and installing them properly, just check once whether your Python version is appearing like this or not. When you type python space dash dash version, your Python version should appear like this. Okay, if the version doesn't appear like this, then there is some problem. So after that, so now I'm going to my D drive and I have a folder named Python tutorial, and then I am going to right click and click on open with code to open this folder in VS Code. So you can create your folder anywhere else, in desktop also, that doesn't matter. Just create a folder and open it with VS Code. Now this folder has appeared. Okay, so this is how VS Code looks. On the left side you can see here is a option new file. Just click on this new file option, and I am going to create my first Python file. So I am going to give the name first.py. Remember, this .py is the extension for running Python files, so this extension should be correct. Now I am going to print hello, my name. Okay, so print, I am going to write hello and then my name. So yeah, exclamation mark, and I am saving this file, Control S, or you can go to this file menu also to save it. Now to run this file, I am using the shortcut Control plus Alt plus N, and yeah, this will run. As you can see in the terminal, the output has appeared, hello registry. And another way to run this file is also you can go to the top right corner and you can click on this play button, which will run your file again. So yeah, this is how you run your first Python files. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and share with your classmates. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.